Hi, this is Justin Ball with the Showerhead store, and I am the showerhead guy. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Speakman Icon showerhead. So this is the brass icon, so the metal version, model S-2252. It's a fixed showerhead with multiple settings, so it's good for people that just want something simple, durable, and really effective. So it's got really good pressure, and we'll show you that in the demo after I run down the features of this product. And you can buy this on Amazon, link down below. It's an affiliate link, so if you click that and buy, I get a little commission. Thank you very much. The chrome version, it starts at like in the $70 range, and then goes up depending on the finish type. And yeah, before I take this out of the box and do the rapid fire of features, please click like, click subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's jump in. So you got instructions, some thread seal tape, and the shower head. So here it is in the chrome finish. Initial impression, I mean, this thing is, yeah, it's diesel. This may be illegal in some states because it could be used as a weapon. I don't know. It's solid. It's also available in other finishes: brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, polished brass, pretty much all of them. Matte black I saw. This is the 2.5 gallon per minute version. For those of you in California that want this type of shower head, there is a 1.75 gallon per minute version of this, even a 2.0 gallon per minute version. Let's see how many settings. So this is a lever that will change the flow, the spray angles and such. So they say this is the Anystream technology. So it just is like a smooth 360-degree lever. And it's supposed to be able to give you 48 customizations of sprays. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Check that out. Let's see, what's it made from? Yeah, this is solid brass. Solid brass. Where is it made? It's made in China, but they made it really well. It's good stuff. And it comes with Speakman's limited lifetime warranty, and is CUPC certified, the Uniform Plumbing Code. And yeah, you don't really need anything else to get this installed. A wrench and a rag, you know, that's pretty much it. So yeah, we'll get to installing this and doing a demo. Let's go. All right, so before I run some water through this and test it out, please click like, click subscribe, leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Pretty easy installing this just with an adjustable wrench. It has a good range of motion going down and out, but it is super stiff. So probably need some troubleshooting on that one. There is a ring back here, I think, that kind of controls the tension, but I haven't played around with that yet. Just letting you know, it is a little bit stiff at first. And I didn't mention how wide this is. This is 2 3/4 inch, so just shy of 3 inches. And yeah, let's run some water through here. You ready for it? Whoa! Super pressure, seriously. Really super pressure. So yeah, here's the deal. When the lever is facing forward like this, these jets are contracted all the way in and create this like massive pressure. But the more you rotate it in the other direction, the more these jets push out. So they're pushing out and they're letting kind of the pressure off, kind of like the garden hose effect, right? So the further back you go, the more of a rain shower experience it's like, where this is just like, this is dumping like buckets. And then as you come back in, it'll increase that pressure again. So whether you like something gentle or like something ferocious and really want to rinse soap out of your hair, this is meeting your needs. So yeah, let's bring the camera in a little bit closer, and I'll just give you a quick full frontal here. So you can see the sprays are like, 6 jets, and they're all kind of intersecting, interweaving. They're like mini shower heads up here, basically, all kind of working in harmony. So just pretty cool, simple, mechanical, innovative. Great product. So yeah, what would I have to say about the showerhead rating? On a scale from 1 to 5, that's going to be my pressure and performance rating. From a pressure standpoint, it's close to 5. I'd give it like 4.5 for pressure, maybe 4.75. And performance overall, right up there in the 4.75, giving you a nice range of coverage, because it does spray out kind of wide and angles out, and it goes from high pressure to a nice like rain shower type of approach. So it's really efficient. There it is, Speakman Brass Icon showerhead, available on Amazon, link down below. And thank you for checking me out at the Showerhead store. Justin Ball signing out. I am the Showerhead Guy.